Do you feel the pulse?
So we have done shaking of this bottle properly because I don't want to fill up only liquid inside this tire. Remember, this is tube tire, not a tubeless. For tubeless tire there is different liquid from the same company. So this is tube tire. So I have already removed the seal from the top. Remove the cap. The cap has got no other meaning apart from closing the vent. I hope you guys can see this properly. Let me just set up the camera according to... Okay. Now, just there's a marking over here. This is 1000 ml. So I'll just empty this bottle till 600 because 400 I want to fill. Now, as you can see, it's going very fast. Right? So just okay. We'll calculate how much it is gone inside first. We'll just so this will also deflate properly. Oh my god, I can't see, but okay, I'll just try to see it. Okay, my judgment was correct. So I have filled up almost 400. Just put the cap back. I filled up almost 400. Now let's just place the valve. And use inflator gun, and we'll just inflate first. Now in this case, if you feel that the air is extra, so don't worry, it won't come out. 20. I'm gonna fill till 30. Let's see how much we are getting here. See, it won't come out. This liquid won't come out from this side since I mean because of this 3 o'clock position. But if you keep this position at 6 o'clock, then you will have problem. Now just rotate the tire. So it will give it will try to spread everywhere. I'm sure it won't. Big reason because it is going to settle down again over here since the bike is in not in riding. I mean, I'm not riding this bike, right? So the whole liquid will settle down at this point. But definitely you can deflate or inflate this tire easily without any problem. So it's the same procedure what you have to use for rear, but First, I mean, you have to fill up 600 ml rather than 400 ml. So now I'm going to repeat the procedure for the rear, but it's useless showing the video because same procedure is I'll be applying for the rear wheel the way I have worked on front wheel. So guys, you saw just how to fill up the liquid in the wheel. Especially this liquid is made for tube tire, not for the tubeless tire. Tubeless tire require a different kind of a material. Same company makes, I think, but the thing is what procedure is same for tubeless tire and for tube tire. So don't change the procedure, because that will create a problem if you change the procedure. It may come out of the wheel. So just don't change the procedure. This is the procedure how you have to fill up the liquid inside the wheel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.